Are you planning for a stress-free and financially secure retirement? What if you could enjoy a steady flow of income even after you stop working? Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore passive income for retirement, what it means, why it's important, and how you can create your own source of lifetime income. What is passive income? Passive income is income that requires little to no effort to maintain. It can be a great way to create an additional income source or supplement your retirement income so that you can live the lifestyle you desire without worrying about day-to-day expenses. Benefits of passive income for retirement. Passive income plays a major role in ensuring your retirement is both peaceful and financially independent. Here are a few key benefits. It provides financial security, giving you peace of mind even when regular earnings stop. It gives you more freedom and flexibility in retirement, and it helps you cover your retirement expenses, be it medical bills, travel plans, or family commitments. In short, it gives you control over your golden years. Strategies and products to generate passive income for retirement. Strategies. Strategy 1. Monthly or yearly income for lifetime, starting immediately from the next month. Strategy 2. Monthly or yearly income for lifetime but starting after certain years. Both strategies work based on your current age, income needs, and investment timeline. Products that help you build passive income. Real estate investments, stock market investments, bond investments, fixed deposits, annuities, and guaranteed income plans. Real estate and property investments. Real estate investments are one of the most popular ways to earn passive income. You can earn rental income from properties such as apartments, commercial spaces, or plots. Real estate also tends to appreciate in value over time, helping you build long-term wealth. However, keep in mind that there are risks involved such as non-occupancy periods, maintenance costs, and property taxes. Also, managing tenants and upkeep can be time-consuming, so it's important to plan wisely or hire property management services. Despite these challenges, real estate continues to be a reliable option for many retirees who want a steady, inflation-protected income. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth and generate passive income through dividends. Bond investments. Bonds are ideal for investors looking for low-risk, fixed-income options. They carry lower risk but also offer lower potential returns compared to equities. Still, they can be a steady part of your retirement income plan. Fixed deposits. Now let's compare two types of fixed deposits: liquid FDs, banks, and locked FDs, insurance companies. For liquidity, liquid FD banks can be liquidated anytime, while locked FD insurance companies is locked for a lifetime. The interest rate in liquid FD banks can change after the term ends, whereas in locked FD insurance companies, it remains locked for a lifetime. Capital protection in liquid FD banks is partial, while in locked FD insurance companies, it offers 100% protection. Example, if you invest 10 lakh rupees today, a bank FD may give you 71,000 rupees per year today, but future interest rates might drop, reducing it to 65,000 rupees per year. An insurance company FD keeps your interest locked for life, ensuring long-term stability. Annuities versus guaranteed income plans. Annuities. Guaranteed income during the retirement period. Guaranteed income plans. Guaranteed yearly income during the retirement period. Income is taxable. Tax-free income under Section 1010D. Corpus amount remains the same for a lifetime. Corpus keeps increasing or remains same after investment period till life. Income can be received for lifetime or a fixed period. Income receivable for lifetime or fixed time. After death, annuity payments cease or the nominee receives the purchase price. After death, the increasing corpus or pending income goes to the next generation. foundation. Conclusion: passive income during retirement isn't just about money, it's about freedom, peace, and dignity. Whether through real estate, stocks, bonds, fixed deposits, or guaranteed income plans, the goal is to ensure your retirement years are comfortable and financially independent. So start planning early, because the earlier you start, the stronger your passive income foundation will be. For more information and personalized retirement planning, reach out to New Ray Services, where we help you secure your financial future with smart and reliable investment options. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial awareness videos. Thank you for watching.